Hello, dear friends. Today I wanted to make a little video about wild roses and their benefits. I've harvested these beautiful petals on Friday morning. Friday is the planetary ruler of Friday is Venus, and that's the planetary ruler of that plant. When you harvest your plant, your herbs on the right planetary day and hour, it makes your medicine more potent. But anyways, I wanted to mention a few benefits, just a few benefits of this beautiful divine feminine plant, wild roses, or any roses. Wild roses have the petals, have medicinal power to help with any heart issues. It could be physical or emotional. It could be for people that are in love and people whose heart is broken. It helps with the thorns are a big part of medicine, and thorns help us to have boundaries, healthy boundaries. And this plant teaches us how to, in order to be loving and open and giving, like the petals, you need to have thorns. Otherwise, you will attract predators that will destroy you. And so that is a big, important lesson that she teaches us in her medicine. It's also wonderful for digestion. If you taste the petals, they're totally edible, and it has a little bitter but also almost a little bit sweet taste to it, and that's just amazing for your digestion. It's astringent, and that's also means that you can, if you have gum infections, you can chew on those. That would really help. And you can make a lot of different medicine. You can make a tincture with the petals and thorns and leaves. You can make a honey infusion, which is my favorite. Makes your honey taste so, just adds this different aroma, beautiful, delicious, healing aroma, and makes honey more of a heart medicine. It's also good in teas. You can just dry it and put it in your tea. You can put it in your salad. These guys, this type of wild roses, they're not really bitter, so they're just perfect. They're slightly bitter, so they're just perfect for salads, and they're so beautiful. So I hope that you find time and harvest some wild roses this summer and use it, create some medicine with it.